Greetings, JavaViewers. It's Thom here, and welcome to episode 6 of Minecraft Modding for Beginners. In this tutorial, we will be learning how to make items. Yes, items. So, JavaViewers, are you ready for this? Well, actually, I noticed that. Can you see something down here? Please, tell me in the comments if you can. Oh, actually, I'm just gonna watch it myself after, because I think you can see something here, because I can't. Else it's here or there. I don't know. I hope it's there. Okay. I hope if it's there. Too bad. Oh, it was close. Sorry. Okay. So let's make an item. Public. Static. If you watched the previous tutorials of the blocks, you would know that we have to do public static final every time we make a thing, and we're making an item. So, item. Let's call it Modium Gem. So, Mgum. At least that's not a word. It's always existing like more. Mgum. Equals. Brackets. New. And items in this is called item something. So, don't have to show you. Just item. And Modium Gem. Item IDs are different than blocks. Blocks are for 200 and 256. Those are 2,000 plus, I think. I think the highest I did, and it was working, was like 8,000. I don't know if I think it can go over that, but I'm not sure. So you got a little bit more space to do, right? Still, I think you can do the same thing with unlimited items. I don't know if it's unlimited with Forge. I kind of think, actually. I'm not sure. But that's the only thing you have to do with an item. No comma and declaring texture. You don't do that. You just gotta do dot. Actually, this is very easy. Dot set item name, because it's not a block, so we don't do dot set block name. Brackets, double quotes, because we're making a string. The name, every time you have a name, make. Yeah, this is actually not true, but it is kind of, If it says something with name, or it's a name, put double quotes. Like, it's not a name here, but you are doing something that has a name. And, well, the name of this is turning a PG, so there's double quotes. And then this is just random. As you can see, also it worked, the block, when I put random name. So you can put random name and semicolon. That is it for an item. That doesn't do anything. And since it is an item, a gem, a diamond, or no, not or gem, it doesn't do anything, right? You can't do anything with it. Well, this hour should do nothing, but I will customize it in the later tutorials. But that's how we will do it now. We don't have to register it, because you only have to register blocks. We do have to declare the texture. So here you do something else. You still do the mod loader to that, alright? But before that, you do the name of it, which is mgem, Modium Gem, dot. You choose the icon index, so icon index, an index with a capital I. Again, the first thing is lowercase, and the next word is capital. Equals, and then mod loader is still M and L capital, dot, add small, override big capital, and you do here. It's different, cause, and now you're like, oh, why is it always different? Well, if you go into Minecraft.jar, items are stored in a folder called GUI, and in there is a items.png. We'll get to that later. And this is going to be stored in the Modium folder. So Modium / and Modium Gem. Wait, did I give that one a space in the name? No, so it's just going to stick to that. The PNG, yeah. And end it off with a semicolon. And that's it for that. And that's it for it, actually. Now, let's give us an error here, so you can hover over it and create the class, as we did with the block. Now an item is It's actually very easy to make a gem, just like this. Make sure it extends something, and it's just gonna extend item. Kind of easy with the blocks, block, item, item. It can get worse when you're making like furnace and stuff, but no, actually I don't think furnace, but something else like an entity and stuff, and models. You have to do the same, public or private. Protect. I mean, we do public, item, modium, gem, int, pa1 or a. Let's just keep the a and b stuff. So you only need one here, okay? And no semicolon, because we make this curly brackets makes the second one for you. We're still gonna have the super constructor because it has the super constructor here, which is the ID. So we have the super constructor, which is a, and that's it. Guys, that is an item, but the block does not drop it. Let's go ahead and change that with a method, and the method is called public int. Let's just actually start out with the two methods we're gonna do here. Quantity dropped. First word lower cases. Next word capital D. Did I spell this wrong? Int C. Because we have an int B. We could also choose A again, but I'm just choose C. No curly. No semicolon because we do this. Oh, okay. Return. How many is going to be dropped of the gems? Oh. Oh, sorry. 1. Next method. Public int ID dropped. So what is dropped? Int D. Like that. And what is drop? Return. Oh yeah, I haven't even knew the return statement. It just public int what is being returned of the int. It's when you do int and you do what's going to be returned. For example, you do that with these. It's a return and then something. In this case, it's a float, and in this case, it's not a float. It's an int. Sorry. Int always, because it's int. Here you have to do where the path is, so mod underscore tutorial dot choose the m gem dot shifted index, like that. That's for items. If you want to drop it, if you wanted to drop the ore itself, you'd have to change it to m dot ore dot block ID. So for blocks, it's block ID, and for items, it's shifted index. But we're gonna stick to this, like that. This should work. Actually, sometimes it doesn't work. I have no idea. This works for me. It used to work for me. I don't think it works anymore. I have no idea. Let's try it out. But we're done. We need. You know what? Screw this. I keep forgetting it. We're done here. And let's go ahead and make the texture. So let's get the items to PNG out, because I want to copy the diamond because it's a gem. So, oh yeah, it was in a folder called UI, as I told you. There it is. And it's the items.png, which is there. And as you can see, if I open up with Paint.net, these are the items in Minecraft. Now what we want is the diamond, so it's right there. It's being laggy in Paint.net and Minecraft for some weird reason. Why is it doing that? Anyway, I think that's 16 by 16. No, the height is not. There you go. We got a diamond there. Oh, let's actually move this up. that. Control A there. Okay. Wanted to make this screen like the block. Exactly like the block. This is gonna wait, let me just see how much time we have left, okay? I'm sorry I'm pausing the videos a lot of times, but I have to check, okay? See you in a sec. Cause this is not so good, okay? We have 5 minutes. So I'm just gonna pause the video and I'll finish the texture. I'll also make some will make some tutorials about textures, but we'll get into that later, okay? I'll be back in a minute or two. Grading and scan and all that shit, you know. Let's just go ahead and do this. Okay, so I made the texture and you can see it in a sec. When we get into the world. Okay, actually, this is shit quick. I got a lot of stuff in the blue hacky thingy one. Let's get all that shit off. So it should not lack. Still lags. You know what? Oh, it still lags on tiny. Okay, something is definitely wrong, okay? I don't know what, guys, but we'll find out. Okay, now let's get a pickaxe. Let's get an iron one just to make sure game mode 0. Okay. Hopefully it doesn't work. Yeah, I didn't make it, so it dropped the gem. Okay, you know, guys, what? I'm gonna put it in the description what I did wrong, okay? Because I'm gonna find out that, okay? But anyways, for now, that's it, okay? Hopefully, you guys, you got more clever. Oh, it doesn't lag? No, still. I gotta fix the lag, and I gotta fix the code, okay? But hopefully, okay, let's do this very quick, okay? Let's add the item gem to the creative menu. You just do this dot set creative tab. You do the same thingy. They made that in 1.4.5. Before it was something else, but you don't have to get that. Materials. Just change. Okay, now you can see it. You get to see it. You get to see it. Slash game mode 1. Oh, slash game mode 1. And there it is. And I forgot to give it a name. Oh god. Remember to give your thingy a name, but here it is. Okay. So we have the block and it's lacking and the gym. Okay. So that's what we made so far. Now, the hell, stop that. Okay, wait. Let's do this kind of quick. You all know what I have doing, so it doesn't really matter. There we go. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this, and I have another idea for what we're gonna do. But I'm still gonna fix the code in the description, and please like this video if you liked it and it helped you, and I'll make more tutorials like this, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.